You exist, and that is unchangeable. Everything is here and now. Oneness is everything, and everything is one. What you radiate is what you receive in return. Everything changes except for the first four laws. The world is change. You are change. The fact that you change every moment is unchangeable. In other words, as long as you exist, you are changing. And since you exist because you change, that means you exist eternally, constantly in the form of change. In many ways, everything can be turned upside down according to your views and understandings, but that means you continue to exist. Prepare yourself for this journey into the unknown and enjoy your own path, because you are creating the entire universe and building this change yourself as you get to know and unfold more and more of yourself. Stepping outside the boundaries of your own limitations helps you to understand a reality that is desired in such a way that you merge with the source, while at the same time preserving the unique personality that you are. You choose and you understand reality itself by experiencing it. When you live with this knowledge, it is reflected in your environment as well. That is why whatever you emit, you receive in return. Interacting with what you have created involves a process of searching and discovering. Everyone accepts the interaction by experiencing it, living through it, and creating through life. In other words, this involves not only your personal, individual experience, but also your interaction with your reflections in the environment. Whether what you emit into the environment is what you wish to receive from it depends solely on you. But if that's the case, accept every message from the surrounding reflections, because they reflect you. Recognize it as your own idea. Then the world turns into a wonderful magical tale that you have created together for yourselves. You fully deserve what you desire and emit. The feeling toward the world is an exploration and experience of your own energy, emitted by yourselves. As you interact and emit certain frequencies, certain vibrations, these vibrations are the choices you have made in stillness, and they shape the world that exists around you. It is enough to feel, to catch the thrill of something being created and achieved. Creation itself is always present, regardless of direction. You are always a creator, whether or not you like what has been created. In order to check and explore what has been made, you need to experience it. You either align yourself with the frequency you have emitted in order to receive and explore it, or you block it because you wish to change it. Here a paradox appears. The environment itself is always created by you. If you block it, you cannot change it because you don't know what to change, and you have also blocked what you want to change. For change to occur, you need to accept it, to discover where you made a mistake in what you have emitted. Only then do you change yourself in order to change what you have emitted and are emitting, and as a result, what is manifested in your environment also changes. If something doesn't work out, it means you haven't changed yourself. This is the fourth law of existence, and it is unchangeable. You change yourself so that the reflection in the mirror of your reality changes. You do not blame the reflection for what you have emitted. The energy to create that reflection is always available. It does not need to be remembered or held onto with any effort. It is unnecessary to defend yourself from what you have emitted. It is enough to desire to make a choice within yourself, and the manifestation as a reflection is there immediately, instantly. You do not need to remember that it is there. No initiations are necessary for it to exist. Accept the energy as your own, and you can use it in any way and in any form. This is how imagination and inspiration create a reality for you to experience with pleasure. Whatever you emit, that is what you receive in return.